Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the sheet has a clean, rectangular table and a single header row. This makes query reliable. Once done, select the range or create a named range so you can reuse it easily. Now type equals query, range, select A, B where C 0, 1 to pull columns and filter basic rows. This first step proves the connection between your SQL-like string and the table. Make sure to include the header count at the end, so Google Sheets parses column labels correctly. Now expand the query. Combine where clauses with order by to sort results and use limit or offset to page data. This keeps Sheets responsive. When you need summaries, wrap columns with SUM, AVG, count, and add group by to collapse rows by categories. Once grouped, use label and format clauses to rename columns and control number/date display so the outcome is human-friendly. Make sure to escape single quotes inside the query string and test parts incrementally to catch syntax. Finish by embedding query in IFR to return a clean message when no rows match or when errors occur. This improves user experience. Also validate your sheet locale and date/decimal formats because mismatched locales often break comparisons and group. If results look wrong, extract just the select string into another cell and test parts separately. This isolates syntax from range issues. One key troubleshooting tip. Conversion mismatches are common, force text or date conversions before aggregating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.